Bremen does not get mentioned in the same breath as Berlin or Munich, and it does not try to be. It is a compact, confident city with one of the best preserved medieval old towns in northern Germany, a world-class science centre, and a botanical garden that most people outside Germany have never heard of. It is also entirely doable as a 48-hour city break with children, without any sense that you are rushing. In this video, we are walking through a full 2-day family itinerary for Bremen. By the end, you will know what to visit, what to book in advance, how to get around, where to eat, and what the trip is likely to cost. There is a free printed version of the full itinerary in the description below, with timings, costs, addresses, and booking notes all in one place. It is worth downloading before you go. Let's get into it. There are a few things worth sorting before you arrive. For getting around, Bremen has a solid tram and bus network run by VBN. Most of day 1 is walkable from the city centre, but day 2 involves trips out to Botanika and then to Universum, and you will want the network for those. A day ticket is the most economical option for a family. You can buy one at station machines or through the VBN app, which is worth downloading before you travel. Uber is also available in Bremen, and taxis are easy to find. The short hop between Botanika and Universum is a good use case for an Uber if you do not want to wait for a tram. For supermarkets, REWE and Edeka both have branches in the city centre. There is a REWE near the central station, which is a convenient first stop for water, snacks, and any incidentals. Bakeries are everywhere in Bremen, and a fresh roll from a local bakery in the morning is both cheap and genuinely good. For accommodation, the Old Town and the area around the central station give you walking access to most of day 1. Tram connections from either area are straightforward for day 2. 3 things to book before you go. Firstly, the Old Town walking tour on GetYourGuide runs only on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 1:30 p.m. If day 1 of your trip doesn't start on one of these days, simply swap day 1 and day 2 around. Secondly, the Botanika family ticket is best booked online at botanika-bremen.de. And finally, the Universum family ticket is available through GetYourGuide. All 3 are worth doing in advance, and exact prices are in the printable itinerary. Day 1 starts at Burgerpark, a large free public park a short walk from the central station. It is a good way to ease into the trip without spending anything. There are paths along the lake, a small zoo area that is also free to enter, and a playground, allowed 2 to 3 hours to explore properly. If the kids want to hire a pedal boat or play mini golf, those are paid extras, but the park itself costs nothing. From Burgerpark, head into the Old Town for lunch. The area around Marktplatz has a range of traditional restaurants, and Bremen has a couple of local dishes worth looking for. Labskaus is a sailor's dish of corned beef mashed with potato and served with a fried egg and pickled beetroot, which sounds unusual and tastes much better than it sounds. Nip is a fried grain sausage, something like a coarser version of black pudding, served with potatoes or bread. Both are Bremen specialities, and both are on the menu at most traditional restaurants in the area. The afternoon is built around the Old Town walking tour, which meets at 1:30 p.m. This is a 2-hour guided walk in English, rated 4.5 stars on GetYourGuide with over 2,000 reviews. It covers Marktplatz, the Town Musicians of Bremen statue, Bottcherstrasse, the Weser embankment, and the Schnoor quarter. Kids under 12 go free. The tour ends close to Teestubchen im Schnoor, a cafe inside a building dating to 1650, with a small courtyard garden. It is a good spot for cake and a drink after 2 hours on your feet. Note that the cafe is closed on Tuesdays, and the walking tour does not run on Tuesdays either, so if your trip includes a Tuesday, make sure you order the days based on this. And after that, head back to accommodation for a rest before dinner. In the evening, the Bratwurst stalls on Marktplatz are a straightforward choice for dinner, with cash recommended. If you would prefer a sit-down meal, most cafes and restaurants around the square have Bratwurst on the menu at a similar price. Day 2 is the bigger day in terms of logistics, with 2 back-to-back attractions. Start with Botanika, which is a green science centre and botanical garden in the rhododendron park. Allow around 30 minutes to get there by tram or bus. The site has tropical greenhouses, an interactive discovery centre, a butterfly house, gibbons, and a Japanese garden. The family ticket covers 2 adults and up to 5 children under 18. and on the first Saturday of each month, children enter free. Book the ticket online at botanika-bremen.de before you travel. Lunch is either at the Bloom restaurant on site, which has a terrace overlooking the rhododendron park and is open from 10 AM on weekends, or you can take the tram back towards the city centre if you want more options. After lunch, make your way to Universum Bremen. You can take a tram from the city centre, which takes around 15 minutes, or get an Uber directly from Botanika. Universum is a large interactive science centre with more than 300 exhibits across technology, humans and nature themes, plus a 5,000 square metre outdoor area. The family ticket here covers 2 adults and up to 2 children, so note that the Botanika and Universum family tickets have different child limits. Both are bookable online in advance, and the exact prices are in the printable itinerary in the description. Rest at your accommodation after Universum, then head out for a final dinner in the evening. The Old Town and the Schlachte riverfront area both have good options. If you have room for something sweet afterwards, find a bakery where you can pick up Bremer Klaben, which is a dense fruit loaf with raisins, candied peel and nuts that is a protected Bremen speciality. It travels well if you want to take some home. One other local food worth trying at some stage is a rollo. The rollo is a Bremen invention, consisting of flatbread rolled around fillings and briefly reheated to give a crispy outer layer, available with falafel, chicken, or mixed fillings. It is particularly associated with the Viertel district near Seelwall if you want to try one. So, that is 48 hours in Bremen, a city that tends to get overlooked in favour of the bigger German destinations, but genuinely holds its own as a family break. The full itinerary is linked in the description below, with addresses, timings, costs, and booking notes. It is free to download and designed to take with you. If this video was useful, subscribing helps us keep making these. There is a link below the video and in the description. New itineraries go up regularly across a range of destinations, and you will find all our videos and destination guides at tiredbuthappytravel.com. We would also love to know what you think of this one. If you have been to Bremen with children, let us know what worked and what you would change, and if there is a destination you would like to see covered, drop it in the comments. We read all of them, and they genuinely shape what comes next. Thanks for watching.